Emojis are an essential part of digital communication now, especially of social media conversation. In simple language, emojis are the symbols that help you express your feelings. In this video, we have covered these 11 most commonly used emojis in the world. So, without any further delay, let's get started. Have a look at this emoji. This emoji with big eyes and upper teeth showing is called astonished face. This astonished face emoji is used when something surprises you. So use this emoji when you're shocked or awed by something. Now look at this. This emoji with a heart symbol is known as kissy face. It's used to say something like, I love you, or I'd kiss you if I could. So be careful when using this emoji. As it signifies romantic relationship, you can send it to your girlfriend or spouse. Next, look at this one. This emoji is called grinning face emoji. This emoji with half open mouth and small open eyes and showing appetite is used to show general happiness and joy. So use it when you're a little bit happy with the situation. Now this is one of the most common emojis. We call this emoji thumbs up emoji. This emoji with the thumb raising upward and all the other fingers folded inward is used to show agreement, approval, or encouragement. So use it when you want to encourage someone or approve of something. Now look at this one. This emoji is known as OK hand emoji. The name OK hand suggests that when you use this emoji, it means that you agree with someone or approve of something. So use it when you want to say OK. Do you get angry when texting? If yes, then this emoji is just for you. This emoji is known as devil emoji, also known as angry face with horns. This emoji suggests warriors' sentiments of anger and devilish ideas. So use it when you're angry or do away with some sort of rule. Now have a look at this one. This emoji is called pleading face emoji. This emoji with furrowed eyebrows, a small frown, and large puppy dog eyes is used for pleading, begging, or yearning. So use it when you want someone to have mercy on you. Now this is one of the top emojis in this video. This emoji is known as salute emoji. This emoji with the right hand raised and put against forehead is a symbol of respect. Remember that this emoji can be used literally or ironically. So use it when you want to show respect to someone. Now you can't ignore this one. This emoji is known as face with hand on mouth. It's used to indicate surprise, shock, or embarrassment. So use it when you feel embarrassed, shocked, or ashamed. And you can't ignore this one also. This emoji is called bored emoji. This emoji is an indication of boredom or lack of proper sleep. So use it when you feel bored or you want to show that you didn't sleep well. Now the last important emoji is this one. We call this emoji peeking emoji. This emoji with two hands covering the eyes and leaving a small passage to see is used to suggest that someone is secretly watching something or to show playfulness. So use it when you are spying or secretly observing someone or something.